How to download Photoshop. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Adobe and search for it. Now go ahead and click on this website option, adobe.com, open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Adobe. Now over here, you will find this option of Sign In, click on it. If you haven't created your account, you can click on this option and create your Adobe account. In the case you already have an account, type in your Adobe account's credentials, email address, and then type in the password and click on Continue. Once logged in, you'll land to this kind of page. Now over here, you will find the search box. Over there, type in Photoshop and search for it. After it appears, go ahead and click on it. Photoshop is available for the web, likewise PC and then mobile device. Click on the option for which you want to download Photoshop. Photoshop is a paid subscription program. It is a digital image editing and design application that lets you transform photos, graphics, and illustration into high-quality custom content. Now go ahead and click on Buy. You'll get different subscription plan, individual, business, and schools and universities. Go ahead and select the option that is suitable for you. For the individual, you have to pay $25.98 per month, including VAT. If you're satisfied with the amount, go ahead and click on Continue, and then fulfill the payment requirements, and with that you will be good to go. Once you complete this process, you will get access to Photoshop. In your home page, you will find the section for installed, and under that you will find the option of Photoshop. So this is how you can download Photoshop. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.